Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to design and simulate a full wave rectifier using NI Multisim software. A full wave rectifier converts both the positive and negative half cycles of an AC signal into DC, which makes it more efficient than a half wave rectifier. In this tutorial, we will understand the working principle, design the full wave rectifier circuit step by step in NI Multisim software, and analyze the input and the output waveforms using the oscilloscope. In this video, I am talking two ways of making this kind of full wave rectifier. So the first one is this. In this one, I am using a model 1B, 4B, 42. Then we use the AC voltage like this. That's all. So now we have to connect these two components. These are the inputs for the circuit, and now we are going to take the oscilloscope. Now oscilloscope is connected to the output. Let's see the output waveform now. Before that, we have to reduce the voltage. Okay, now we can see the full wave rectifiers, full wave like this. Both negative and positive values are converted to the positive side in this wave. Okay, now we can see the input wave also. I'll change the color of the input as light green. Now we can run the simulation and see the output result like this. So this is the one method of making this kind of circuit in NI Multisim. Now let's move into the other way. In this way, I'm using power source like this and 4 diodes like this. 1N4001 diode is used. All the diodes are arranged like this. Now the connections are done. First, the input wave is connected. Now the oscilloscope is taken and the output wave can be observed using this oscilloscope by connecting the wires like this. we can see the output waveform. So this is the output waveform. Let's compare this with the input waveform also. So I'm connecting the wire to the input voltage. And change the color into light green. Now I can see the complete output waveform